Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Inn Troutdale-Portland East. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The newly renovated Comfort Inn Columbia Gorge Gateway in Scenic Troutdale, Oregon is within walking distance of Columbia Gorge Factory Outlets and a 2-minute drive to the beginning of the Columbia Gorge Historic Scenic Highway. The hotel also offers easy access to fun outdoor activities at Thousand Acres Dog Park in the Sandy River Delta, the Sandy River and Pacific Crest Trail. Interior halls offer easy and safe room access, while the business center offers a computer with internet, as well as access to copy and fax services. Other amenities include free wireless high-speed internet access, free daily newspaper and free coffee and tea 24 hours a day. All guest rooms at this hotel offer a flat-screen television with high-definition satellite programming, desk, coffee maker, refrigerator, microwave, hair dryer, alarm clock, iron and ironing board. Our King Executive Suites feature a jetted tub. This is a pet-friendly hotel. We are delighted to meet your 4-legged companions and give you directions to the great run by the river right behind the hotel. Our hotel is completely non-smoking. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.